try to do is swap these wheels and tires into the Crosstour, make sure they fit, so to see if I can run a similar size. And maybe tomorrow I'll try to do those wheels and tires. So when I do that, I will film it. So I actually got a burn over there because yesterday I was messing around trying to do this. Show you guys real quick. Oh, look at that. That thing is gorgeous. So this is my SIG. Yesterday I was messing with this new grip module. I had to cut some holes in it, and I also had to chop the bottom. But this thing came out pretty nice. So that's what I was doing. So when I was using my Dremel to cut that out, a piece flew. Good thing it has safety glasses on, but a piece flew out, smashed me right in the face, and now it burned me. But so that is that. And yeah. So let's try to cut some grass and go from there. Alright, I will see you guys in another update of this video. Alright guys, welcome back to the second part of the video. So yesterday I finished off with hosing down the car. So the only thing is, if you take a quick look at this. They are covered in pollen again. So that's why I'm not even gonna bother washing them, because why? Same idea with the S2000, it's still covered, and again I'm not washing it. But as usual, once again we got the dogs out here. But today what we're finally gonna be doing is we're gonna be swapping the wheels from the RDX into the Crosstour. So my plan with the Crosstour is to lift it and put some off-road tires on it. I did kind of think about bagging it, but it's not gonna happen. Alright, so unfortunately what sucks about, again, not having a garage here and having the right amount of tools is that we are limited to a few tools. So let's go and take a quick look at what they are. So here they are. So I have the jack here. Again, it's a low profile jack, so what I'm hoping I can do is put some wood on it so we can get some more height out of it. I got two jack stands. And then the reason these two things are here, so obviously it's just a piece of wood. This I actually found next to the shed. Looks like it's a piece of aluminum. And what I'm actually planning to do with these two, when I use the jack on this freaking crappy driveway, it actually starts sinking with the weight. So what I plan on doing is, one will go on top of that, the other on top of that, and then it has more surface so that it doesn't sink. And then it kind of sucks because I don't have a breaker bar. So I'm gonna have to use again this crappy ass Husky ratchet, so hopefully it does not break on us. Hey dude, get out of there. Why don't you be like your brother? Look, he's being such a good boy. Yeah? Ace, get out of there. Come on. Alright guys, let's get started because it's gonna take a while. Okay, so I already broke the lug nuts on that with that ratchet, but I actually forgot that I got this Ryobi half-inch drill. Well, rat impact gun. Woo! Guys, it is super hot. I'm sweating like a pig here, and all I did was one wheel. So obviously it is a lot of work because I only have one jack, and it does suck trying to lift the car up on the metal rocks here. For the Crosstour, I knew this was going to happen, so obviously that wheel is a lot taller than the stock one, so I actually got to jack it up more. Do not want that to happen. Whew. So guys, that was very sketchy. So the whole car shifted sideways. We almost, ooh, that would have been terrible. If this thing fell over. So always make sure you guys are safe. I think last time I saw you guys, the Crosstour almost fell over. That was not good. But the good news is, dun 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 dun. Woo! Damn, that looks good. So I got both front wheels on, and I still got to do the rears. And actually, the Crosstour also, sorry, the RDX also does not look bad with the Crosstour wheels. I like it. It's really sketchy because, again, this ground sucks. So it's a real pain in the ass. But let's take a closer look. So it does stick out like a tiny bit. I'm hoping that there's no rubbing, but excuse the car and the wheels for being super dirty. But I think it looks really good. Alright guys, so I'm going to try to do a little bit of filming. It's a real pain in the ass trying to film and making sure that the cars don't fall over. I'm exhausted, it's hot, I'm sweating. So let's go put that tire on, and then we got one left. Alright guys, so we are almost there. Oh man, my back is killing me. I don't know if you guys can really see my shirt. It's like, my whole shirt is soaked. It's way too hot. But, this thing looks ridiculous. Are you guys ready? Bam! Woo! Oh, damn, that looks good. Look at that. Oh, that thing looks super beefy. She is girthy. Oof. This thing is ready for some trails. Damn. So I still got to do that side, and then that should be it. So guys, I'm going to go change that side real quick, and then we'll see at the end how she looks. So the wife is going to be rocking this for a while. I do need to wash this car really bad. But the wheels are looking pretty nice on this thing. The tire could be a little bit bigger, but looks pretty good. Alright, let's start this thing. Oh, it's super hot in here. Sounds good, but could always be louder. Could always be louder. So we are now with the Crosstour. So the good thing about this is that there's also no tire pressure light on. The only thing is I definitely noticed a big difference in the steering, and I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's also a lot louder. So this is actually louder than the RDX. I feel like when these wheels were on the RDX you couldn't really tell, but on this thing they actually make a lot more noise. Some of these back rows are super tiny. There's actually a shooting range. I think it's coming up. I gotta go sign up so I can go do some shooting. And this isn't even far from the house, maybe 10 minutes. So I gotta go sign up so that I can bring my guns and shoot some stuff. So at full lock it does rub a bit, but I don't think it's nothing to worry about. And like I said, I do want to lift it, but other than that I think it was a success. Let's see if it rubs. Well, we are back home. Alright guys, I think we're gonna throw some water on it, maybe wash the wheels and tires. I did spray down the Crosstour and the RDX with some water. All I did was just hose it down, but I did wash the wheels and tires. Oh, that looks nice now. Gotta get a better brush to wash in between the spokes. It's still really dirty, but I just want them to look a little bit better. Still needs a better wash. What I did use was this sticky citrus wheel cleaner from Chemical Guys. It was my first time using it, and I must say it worked pretty good. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Just a little quick update on the Crosstour. Nothing on the S2K. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you go down below and subscribe to the channel. And